At the end of the 1,000 years, the second resurrection will take place. The resurrection of the wicked. After the 1,000 years, Jesus comes back again. He comes back again, but this time bringing with him the New Jerusalem and all his children. And while the New Jerusalem descends, Jesus comes out and calls the wicked dead to life. John actually sees this picture. Revelation 21 verse 2. And I, John, saw the holy city, the New Jerusalem, coming down from God out of heaven, prepared as a bride adorned for her husband. Zechariah gives us more information. Let's read. Chapter 14, verse 4. And his feet shall stand in that day on the Mount of Olives, which is before Jerusalem on the east. And the Mount of Olives shall split in the middle thereof toward the east and toward the west, and there shall be a very great valley. And half of the mountain shall remove towards the north, and half of it shall move towards the south. And the Lord shall be king over all earth. Why would God create a great valley? Well, that will be one piece of earth where man has not yet trodden. One piece of earth where sin has not entered. God will prepare his own piece of ground for the New Jerusalem to rest on. But the rest of the dead lived not again until the 1,000 years were finished.